Hello, my name is Randy Wostratzky, the Director of Business Development here at the Spectrem Group. Thank you for joining me as we review the latest data and implications from Spectrem's monthly Affluent and Millionaire Investor Confidence Indices. Concerns about the political climate were not enough to keep affluent investor confidence down in December. The Spectrem Affluent Investor Confidence Index, which had dropped 11 points last month, gained 4 for a reading of -9. After dropping 8 points in November, the Spectrem Millionaire Investor Confidence Index gained 4 points to -2. This could be driven by any number of possibilities. From December 20th of 2011 till December 19th of 2012, the S&P 500 is up over 15.5%. For some investors who were more conservative in their investment decisions over the past year, but still wanted to stay in the stock market, they may have implemented an index-based investment strategy. And if they use the S&P as their benchmark, the year-over-year gain they see on their financial 2012 statements will definitely fill them with holiday spirit. The rise in both Spectrem indices could also in part be driven by the steady decrease in gas prices that we've seen over the past few months. Pain at the pump was felt by consumers all across the country this year, especially as the average price per gallon crept towards $4 at the end of the summer. Currently, the national average is somewhere around $3.30 per gallon, with many analysts predicting that the price will continue a steady decline into January of 2013. The discretionary income now available, due to the savings at the pump, could very well be the catalyst that consumers needed to feel more confident about their current fiscal state. Is the housing market possibly driving consumer confidence up? Previously occupied home sales are on track for their best year in 5 years. And the actions of the Federal Reserve in announcing further easing of the money supply has encouraged consumers to take advantage of historically low rates. But perhaps it's simpler than that. Maybe the affluent community is just feeling the holiday spirit, and they don't think the volatility and turmoil in Washington is going to result in driving us off the fiscal cliff. This more cautiously positive mood is also reflected in the Spectrem Affluent Household Outlook, which jumped 14.03 points to -3.49, its highest reading and month-to-month increase since September. The improvement in the overall outlook, a survey of affluent attitudes towards financial factors that impact their daily lives, most likely represents a readjustment in the affluent investor mindset from the previous month, when, in the wake of the election, the outlook plunged to a 15-month low. But the caveat here remains in the phrase, cautiously positive. Investors want to feel much stronger about the possible upside in both the stock market and the economy as a whole. But the wheel spin our elected officials in Washington are currently giving us is not helping restore faith in the financial future of the U.S. Join us for part 2 as we discuss the positive, cautious nature that investors continue to feel because of all the uncertainty going on in Washington. My name is Randy Wostratzky. Once again, thank you for watching.